In this video, I will gonna share 3 trending niches and 1 evergreen niche that will help you to get sales even in 2026. But before that, I wanna share my secret on how I double my sales during Q4. I know a lot of you guys are making the same mistake. If you are new to most of the people right now chasing the trending niches or Halloween or Christmas niches, but the secret is try to sell more evergreen niches during Q4. Yes, adding more new design and getting sales from Q4, it's best way to get sales whole next year. On how to double your sales and turn your design into a best sellers. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Over 97% of viewers watch the video but without subscribing. So tap on that subscribe button. But before we go into the niche, I wanna share this new trend to avoid. Portland frog. It's a political niche where people are wearing frog costume and protest against ICE. Do not sell or jump into this trend unless you are ready to take the risk and you are the someone who upload the political niches. First trending niche is 6-7. This is the meme and song related niches. I am telling you again, if you are not comfortable with, you can skip this too. But this is the most trending niche I ever see and the lowest BSR. Also, it's very easy to design and cross niche with Christmas and Thanksgiving. I think you are late for Halloween, but try to cross niche with Christmas, also New Year. Second trending niche is app. This app and 6-7 niche become most popular in just 2 months. I don't know why and how, but this is selling. Check out most of the bestseller here is not even a month old designed and BSR is very low. Meme design tend to sell very well whole year. So this design you can jump in if you are someone who chase the trends and don't try to add the similar design. Try something new with AI. Try to create a different style of chicken graphics or play with the font design. And the third niche is Christmas related. Now don't tell me you don't have time for that. No, you have to start uploading today. This is I suggest the family Christmas niches and most likely to. I know you tell it's overrated and a lot competition. But what I learned, you have to be in that niches. And it's still giving you sales. This is also matching design niches, so you can get some good money with these trends. And the last evergreen niche idea is Jesus. I think Jesus is gonna be very popular in 2026. It's already evergreen niches, but there is a lot to play with design and be creative or find something new related to Jesus. If you can see top seller BSR is really low. That's mean no matter what, it's gonna sell. Also Christmas is coming and Q4 is here. So you need to jump on Jesus design and make your best seller for 2026. I personally uploaded new design last month and sold some new design. Let me tell you something. I follow the US news and I am seeing some pattern. Jesus niche will be the good in 2026 and it's also gonna perform very well in Europe marketplaces. Now if you wanna get more sales and with less work, you need to start using AI. Check out my next video where I share free AI sites where you can design without paying any subscription. Like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.